Hey all the techies, all the coders out there, this is yours innovative coder, and today we'll be learning something known as if and else conditions. For if and else conditions, the basic part was Boolean data types and relational and logical operators, which we have covered in the previous video. Now we'll be jumping over to the execution and understanding and intuition of if and else statements. So if and else statements are used when we need to apply a condition like if this, then do something, then do some printing or do some like processing or any other that kind of stuff. So so the syntax here would be a little bit different from what we have learned in C++ and what we have learned in Java. So it would be a lot simpler, it would be a lot basic. You just need to remember some key stuffs. So the so the basic syntax is something like if so let us suppose we have two variables, x equals to 30 and 30 and y equals to, suppose we have 10 or suppose we have 20. So what we need to do is we'll write x if x is greater than y and x is let it be yeah. So if x is greater than y, then we have put the condition, we have put the if statement, then we'll put a colon. Colon is indicating that now this is like we had in Java and C++ those curly braces. We won't be using them over here. We'll be using this colon, and now it will automatically indent itself. So this is something which you need to take care of, the indentation part. You can't like ignore this indentation part. This is very much important. Print x, and what it will do, it will print x because x is greater than y, right? This is a basic if condition. If you need to provide else also, then you can write something like uh, else print y. Yep. So it is printing like it is printing 30 only because x is greater than y. But if it were if it had been like x is less than y, then it would have printed y, right? Also, we can do something like nested for loop, nested if condition, nested if condition. How we can do that is we can write. So we can take three variables over here. Suppose we have z also. Then z is. Suppose z is, I guess, 10. Yeah, 10 would work fine. So suppose z is yeah, or else z is 35. What we can do is we can now use the logical operators. What we can do is if x is greater than y and x is greater than z, uh, then print x elif. So for using the nested loop, nested condition, nested if condition, we'll be using elif. So elif is else plus if. We need not specify them individually. We can use this thing. Elif y is greater than z and y is greater than x. Yep. So something like this. Print y, right? And now we can use else, those colons. Wait a minute, it will give me error, I know, but yeah, else print z. Yeah, so 35 is the largest number, so this is the code for largest number. Printing largest number, printing largest number. So you need to remember the indentation. The main logic over here is that you need to remember the indentation part. So you can use like in this like in Jupyter, what it does is you press the enter and it indents automatically. Also what you can do is you can use tabs, you can use spaces, you can use five spaces. Not only five spaces, you can specify something like, see, I'm typing only one space over here. You can do something like this. It is showing me a red color because Jupyter doesn't allow us. Actually, it allows us, but it says that if you're doing indentation, then do it properly, right? It would work fine, but we should not do something. We should not do this thing. We should keep it like this only. Yep, so that's all for this video. In next video, we'll be learning about more deep concepts of Python. So thank you. Keep following, keep subscribing, guys. I have a very good page on Instagram. Please go there and follow me and subscribe this channel. Thank you.